Hello CNC router users. Many CNC router users has the doubt that whether we can use ArtCAM software for photo carving. So there is many other software like Aspire, they have special features like photo carve. So whether we can do the same kind of thing in ArtCAM also. So in my next video, I will be clearing that doubt and helping you to do that, because we have to follow a certain steps and the kind of tools what we have to use for and the different machining parameters we have to give for that output, we should be very clear. Then only we can do those kind of applications. So it's possible that we can do photo carving using ArtCAM software also in a different manner compared to the other softwares. They have a special features like photo carving. So if you now look at an image like this, and this image if you want to carve on a wood, so how we can do that? Or you can use any other material and can bring different kinds of effect in using that particular kind of material. So how this can be done, and once you use the right kind of tools and the right kind of machining parameters, you will get an output on the material you prefer, and this you can use and get a good finish after the post processing of the material. So you require this kind of machining on the material, so certain kind of tools and certain kind of machining options that you have to select, and then only you will get the right out. So I will be explaining inside my membership videos how you can do this in step by step. Thank you very much. So those who are not able to join this program, you can also subscribe this channel, and certain members have the accessibility for certain videos, and they have more knowledge sharing is happening that and I especially who is really serious about learning, and I am opening up those videos for those kind of people. And just some people just want to browse through it. For you people, I just want to give that information that's kind of possible, and if you're really serious to do it, you can get into my membership level. You can be a member, you can join as a member, and you can have more knowledge to apply. Thank you very much.